Hey everybody, just sitting outside enjoying a nice summer evening with the mosquitoes and cicadas out screaming in the trees, leaving all these little shells behind. As a kid we used to wear these. We used to play with the adults too. We'd take them and tie some thread around them and, just whiz them around like a toy plane. Probably kind of cruel, but it's just a bug. Been kind of a hectic summer. Been a hectic month anyway. And it's going to get more hectic. A lot of people where I work are no longer working there, so the workload's increased. The chances of having time off is kind of gone away. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to be spending the next week trying to eat clean and maybe have one not so appropriate birthday meal, and then on the 31st, which is a Monday, I'm going to start a 12-week program. Probably Body for Life. I looked at several others, but that's the one that I keep going back to. That's the one I think I can do. Just thought I'd relax for today, make a video about that. Maybe get Boyd to do something. I mean, kind of fell off the radar there, man. Speaking of, what happened to this $100 challenge? Is anybody still doing that? Terry, are you judging this thing, or just curious. Don't know if anybody's really doing it still. I've got the $100 if somebody actually did some good progress and wins this thing. It's all yours. If not, I'll save it and spend it on stuff like gym membership or something. But today is just relax a little. Take a little time. I don't get to do that very much. But I am getting eaten out by skeeters out here. So I'll probably really try to make a video here in a couple of days with a little more specifics about what I'm doing. I might not have time, at least for the next 3 days, I know, because I'm going to be doing some long hours. Hopefully by the end of the week, I can have things settled down enough to where I could start working on me for a while. Till then, everybody take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.